The Slayton sisters have become household names since the launch of TLC's hit reality series 1000 lb Sisters. Chronicling the raw and emotional weight loss journey of Amy and Tammy Slayton, the show has built a fiercely loyal fanbase. But in recent months, sharp-eyed viewers and insiders alike have started to ask troubling questions about the dynamics between the two siblings. Most notably, whispers have grown into outright speculation about whether Amy Halterman, once celebrated for her support, may have unintentionally, or even deliberately, sabotaged her sister Tammy's weight loss progress. Could the very person Tammy leaned on the most be the one holding her back? Or are the rumors simply a reflection of how high the stakes have become for the sisters? Amy Halterman has long been portrayed as the more nurturing of the two. From the earliest episodes, fans saw her take on a caregiver role, frequently assisting Tammy with everyday tasks and advocating for her health goals. But as seasons passed and Amy's own life began to change, especially after the birth of her children and her complicated relationship with now ex-husband Michael, her ability to support Tammy seemed to wane. What was once seen as tough love began to look, to some viewers, more like frustration, detachment, and even resentment. At the core of the show is Tammy's hard-fought battle against obesity, addiction, and severe health complications. Her journey has been anything but linear, and she has repeatedly faced setbacks, hospitalizations, and even near-death experiences. Throughout much of that time, Amy was seen as her anchor. But as Amy began focusing more on her personal transformation, undergoing gastric bypass surgery, starting a family, and navigating the ups and downs of married life, Tammy often found herself isolated, both emotionally and physically. Fans pointed to several episodes where Amy cancelled important appointments, brought unhealthy food into the house, or failed to create a supportive environment during Tammy's most critical phases. What complicates matters even further is the often volatile and emotional nature of the sisters' relationship. TLC cameras have captured countless blow-ups between the two, showcasing yelling matches, tearful breakdowns, and hurtful accusations. Some believe these tensions stem from deeply rooted jealousy and insecurity. Amy, who achieved earlier success in her weight loss journey, may have unintentionally cast a long shadow over Tammy's progress. Others argue that Tammy's erratic behavior pushed Amy away, and that Amy's so-called sabotage was more a result of burnout than betrayal. Insiders close to the production claim that Tammy has expressed, off-camera, feelings of abandonment. During one reportedly unaired moment, Tammy allegedly broke down in tears, saying she felt like a burden in Amy's life. While Amy has denied any deliberate neglect, the emotional distance between them became increasingly obvious in later seasons. Viewers noted how often Tammy seemed alone during doctor visits or therapy sessions. Her mental health, already fragile, appeared to suffer without consistent familial support. However, it's important not to paint Amy as a villain. Her journey has also been filled with its own trauma. Being the younger sister yet often taking on the responsibility of the elder is a difficult burden to carry. Amy herself has opened up about her depression, postpartum struggles, and the toll of being on reality TV. She's often found herself torn between being a mother, a sister, and a public figure. In one particularly emotional scene, Amy tearfully admitted that she felt she was losing herself while trying to help everyone else. This inner conflict may have resulted in decisions that appeared harmful to Tammy. For example, critics were outraged when Amy once brought fast food into their shared home during a time when Tammy was on strict dietary restrictions. Amy defended herself by stating she was exhausted and didn't have time to cook, but for Tammy, this moment served as a painful reminder that her needs were slipping through the cracks. As fans dissect the sisters' interactions across multiple seasons, a recurring theme emerges: codependency. Experts have weighed in, suggesting that Amy and Tammy's relationship had long been enmeshed in unhealthy patterns. Psychologists specializing in sibling dynamics say that when one sibling's progress threatens the status quo, the other may unconsciously act to preserve the balance, even if that means undermining their sibling's success. While there's no concrete evidence that Amy intentionally derailed Tammy's progress, the emotional undertones can't be ignored. Reality television often thrives on conflict, and TLC's editing choices may have amplified moments of tension for dramatic effect. Still, the real-life consequences for Tammy have been severe. Her physical and mental health have been on a knife's edge, and many fans now question whether more consistent support from Amy might have helped Tammy reach her goals sooner. More recently, Tammy has taken major strides toward independence. After a lengthy stay in a rehab facility and successful surgery, she has lost a significant amount of weight and even begun making appearances without her oxygen tube. She's been more active on social media, sharing updates with a sense of pride and confidence rarely seen in earlier seasons. Many see this newfound independence as a direct result of Tammy stepping out from Amy's shadow, proof, perhaps, that distance between the sisters might have been necessary for both of them to grow. Still, that doesn't mean the emotional wounds have healed. In interviews, Tammy has spoken cryptically about feeling left behind and not always being able to count on family. Meanwhile, Amy has mostly remained silent, choosing to focus on her children and the next phase of her life. Whether this silence is a sign of guilt, fatigue, or self-protection remains up for debate. The larger question this controversy raises is about the responsibility siblings bear for one another, especially when health, mental stability, and public scrutiny are involved. Is it fair to expect Amy to put her life on hold indefinitely for Tammy? And at what point does helping become enabling? These questions have no easy answers, but they lie at the heart of the Hultman-Slayton saga. Interestingly, fans themselves have become emotionally invested to a degree rarely seen in reality TV. Online forums and comment sections are filled with arguments, speculations, and even fan theories. Some adamantly defend Amy, saying she did her best under impossible circumstances. Others believe Tammy would have progressed faster without Amy's involvement at all. The fanbase is deeply divided, but nearly everyone agrees on one thing: the sisters' relationship is at a critical crossroads. TLC has not announced whether 1000 LB Sisters will continue for another season, but rumors suggest the show's direction may change significantly. Some insiders claim that future episodes will focus more on Tammy's solo journey and less on the sister dynamic. If true, this would mark a dramatic shift from the show's original premise, but perhaps a necessary one given the current emotional climate. In the end, the question of whether Amy Hultman sabotaged Tammy's progress may be less about deliberate actions and more about the complex emotional labyrinth the sisters inhabit. Love, guilt, resentment, obligation, they're all entangled in a relationship shaped by decades of hardship, shared trauma, and public scrutiny. Whether the sisters can heal from their past and forge a healthier path forward remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: the journey of Amy and Tammy Slayton continues to captivate, challenge, and provoke deep reflection among millions who see pieces of their own family struggles mirrored in theirs. As the world waits to see what's next, one truth remains clear: weight loss might be the show's headline, but emotional weight has always been the real story. And it's a story that, for better or worse, is far from over. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.